Today we're here with Ralph in Tractor Supply, and we are going to be working on his loose leash walking. So I'm just going to walk throughout the entire store, weave in and out of aisles, go down thick aisles, go down really tight aisles, and I really just want him walking right next to me. If he does get a little out ahead, I'll just turn around like I did there. Here we're going to walk down a really tight aisle. He found some good smells back there, but we continued on. If he does get a little distracted, you can just give a slight leash correction and he'll come towards you, or you can walk into them or go and change directions. So enjoy this video of him doing loose leash walking. He did really well today and he is progressing very nicely.